Hey, Connie Knox here with Genealogy TV, here to help you go further, faster, and factually with your family research. Today, I decided to do something a little silly. Okay, so we just finished the Waltz family photo restoration project. There was 7 episodes about how I explained how I went about putting together a whole restoration using 7 different tools within Photoshop. And so along the way, I explained all the different process, right? So I thought it might be fun to take all 7 episodes and like hyperspeed them into one really fast video. So I have done that now. So here it is, all 7 episodes condensed into one hyperspeed photo restoration of the Waltz family photo restoration project. Hope you enjoy it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to check out exactly all the details of how I did that, there's a playlist right here for you to check it out. There are 7 different episodes with 7 different types of techniques, everything from spot removal to content-aware fill. All of those techniques are actually explained in the individual episodes. So check that out. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, keep on climbing your family tree.